In this video, we will show you how to fix a Google Pixel 4a that started running slowly after the Android 11 update. When a stable device like the Pixel 4a starts running so slow or sluggish after an update, you can almost expect it to be a firmware-related issue. However, there are also times when it's just due to some apps. That's the reason why you need to troubleshoot it. If you're one of the users with this problem, here's what you should do. First solution: close applications running in the background. When it comes to fixing performance issues, the first thing you must do is close everything that uses your phone's CPU and RAM. This will tell you right off the bat how your device performs with only core services running in the background. To close all apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle. This will show you the apps that are still running. Swipe up on each app to close them one by one. After that, try to see if your Pixel is still running slow. Second solution: force restart your Pixel. The next thing you have to do if the first solution fails is to refresh the memory and reload all services. You can do so by doing the forced restart. To do so, press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. This will trigger your Pixel to shut down and power back up. Once the Google logo shows, release the power key and allow the device to boot up uninterrupted. After the reboot, observe your phone closely to know if its performance has improved. Third solution: check the storage. Another thing you have to check if your device is running slowly is the storage. Apps and services take up storage when used for their caches. So if your Pixel is low on storage, it's normal for it to slow down when you use apps as it closes other services and applications to give way to the one you currently use. To check the storage of your phone, launch Settings, and then tap Storage. If you still have enough storage space left, then try the next solution. Fourth solution: check for new updates. It is also possible that these issues are due to glitches with the firmware. So if they occurred without apparent reason and can't be fixed by the previous solutions, try to see if there's a new update available. Firmware issues are often fixed through updates. Besides, Google actually rolls out updates regularly to make sure its Pixel phones run smoothly. To check for an update, launch Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Advanced. Now tap System Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Fifth solution: factory reset your Pixel. After doing the previous solutions and your Pixel 4a still lags and freezes, then you have no other choice but to reset your phone. A factory reset will fix any performance issues including these ones. However, make sure to back up your important files and data. When ready, follow these steps. Open your phone's Settings app. Tap System. Tap Advanced. Tap Reset Options, and then tap Erase All Data. Tap Erase All Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. If needed, enter your PIN, pattern, or password. To erase all data from your phone's internal storage, tap Erase All Data. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device. The problem should be fixed by now. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.